Well, you are welcome back to our PowerPoint class, and this is lesson 3. I'm still John Apia, your trainer. In the last lesson, we learned how to add new slides and change layouts. Today, we are going to make our slides more exciting by adding pictures, clip arts, and themes. So if you are ready, let's move on. First, let's learn how to add picture from our computer. Click on Insert tab, then go to Pictures. Then you choose the picture that you want to use. So you go to where the picture is. So I will choose this particular picture. Then you click on Insert. Then you can see that your picture will now be inserted into your slide. So you can just use the anchor points to adjust it. You open it up to fit your screen, how you want the display to be. So that is how to insert your picture from your computer. So you can also move it. So as I said, using the anchor points, you can just click on it with your right mouse button click. You just move it to any position that you want. You may also need to add clip arts. So let me teach you how to add clip arts if you don't have a picture. So you just go to Insert, then you go to Picture, Online Pictures. So at this stage, when you go to Online Pictures, you need to make sure your internet is connected. So let me pause and then connect my internet and then come over again. Okay, so now my internet is connected. So let me go to Online Pictures again. You'll see that it is loading. So at this stage, you are going to search, click here and search the kind of picture that you want. Maybe you want a picture of a dog. You just click on, you just type dog in the search box. You hit on enter and you wait for it. You're going to see that it will display a list of dog pictures of dog for you. All you need to just select the one that you want. Then you come to insert here and just click on it. It will download and then it will be inserted on your project for you. Okay, so you can see that our picture is now downloaded and it has been inserted into our project. So that is it. Okay, so there may be a case where you want to design something, or you want to create a PowerPoint presentation, you want to create a presentation, but you may not have the pictures on your computer. That's where you need to go to Insert and then go to Online Pictures and then go and then download the pictures right away and then insert it in your computer. Okay, so you can also, apart from these images, you can search for any other clip art images, icons and others, and then you insert on your project. Now you can see from here that our slides, they are all with white background, but it shouldn't be so. It should have at least some designs there. So at this stage, I'm going to teach you how to add theme to make your slides look colorful. So let's go to design. Let's go to design. So after click on design, you're going to see so many themes here, of which you can select any of them. But let me show you something. You can see here that the themes here are limited. They are about 7 or 8 or so, but they are more than that. So at this stage, if you want to view all, you see there are 2 arrows here. The arrow at the bottom there, you just click on it to display the rest of the layout, the rest of the theme for you. So you just go through and then select the one that you like. You just click on it and automatically it will affect all the slides, not only the selected slide, but it will affect all the slides. The design will affect all the slides that I have created. So that is the theme that we are talking of. So it makes your PowerPoint presentation looks beautiful. Now let's do some more fun. On the same tab, we want to change the background also. You see the background also look the same with the theme that we selected. We are having the same background, but we need to change the background. So this is what we're going to do. So when you go to design tab, then you go to format background. So just click on the format background Then you are going to choose the kind of background that you want to format, you want to have. So we have the solid fill, we have the gradient fill, we have the picture or texture fill. That is what we have now. You have the pattern, and you can also hide the background graphics. So let me select the solid one, and you're going to see this here. But you can change this color by going to color section here. Just click on the arrow beside this fill color button bucket, and then you select the kind of color that you want. But don't forget, this formatting that you are doing only affects the cells, this only affect the slice you have selected. It will not affect the whole slice. It only affect the slice list. So you can see that the slide 5 is only being formatted, but the other slides are still the same. Okay, so you can also select gradient fill, then you search for your gradient presets, then you select any of them that you want to use, then you are good to go. Okay, you can come to this section and then select color, and then change the gradient color that you want to use. You can see that the color has been changed. Let's say we want to change this brown color, so let's click on it. You click on the color here, then you come to the color section here, and then you change it to, let's say, this particular color. You see that, and then we come to this section here, we click on it here, and then we come and then change to, let's say, green. You can see that the gradient is taking effect. So you can just take your time and then toggle with these features here. It just helps you to change your background to any design that you want. Okay, so that is it for today. Today we have learned how to insert pictures from our computer. We also have learned how to insert picture from our from an online space or from the web. We also learn how to use themes and also how to change background color. So in our next lesson, we will make our slides come alive with animations and transition. So that means next lesson we are going to learn animations and transition. So next lesson is going to be packed, because animations and transitions makes PowerPoint so beautiful. So see you in the next lesson. Bye.